Cooking with care.
Back in the day, clay pots, iron, and wooden utensils were used for cooking. They preserve the nutrients in food and enhance the taste. Today, we use many other types of other cookware that can be very harmful to our health. The coating on nonstick cookware can harm us by causing many abnormal issues, including cancers. Research shows aluminum is very dangerous, linking to causes of cancer and Alzheimer's. The metals leach into our food while cooking. This includes aluminum pots, foil, and most silverwares. Stainless steel is essentially a safe iron, but the combination of using this with aluminum can be lethal. Cooking with ceramic and cast iron are considered the safest. Cast iron is a great way to get more essential iron in our diets, as the iron is released in the food during the cooking process. There's a lot more detailed information we'd like to share, along with giveaways and discounts on products. So please visit us at
www.allthingsalkaline.org
today.